Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials, mobility and stance. Warm for 10 to 15 minutes to protect joints and improve range, then practice 3 core stances: horse, bow, cat, holding each for 30 to 60 seconds to develop structure and balance. Once done, add 2 basic hand techniques and repeat them slowly for control. This builds neural pathways. Make sure to set a 20 to 30-minute daily habit so progress compounds. Keep the tempo steady and focus on alignment rather than speed. You now layer complexity. Isolate technique into chamber, extend, and retract so every motion is intentional. Practice each step slowly for precision, then combine and finish explosively to train power and timing. Once integrated, increase reps to around 50 per pattern and alternate tempo, slow for form, fast for application. Make sure to include partner or pad drills twice weekly to learn distance, timing, and impact. Feedback from a partner reveals flaws a mirror cannot. You conclude by applying skills under pressure. Run full forms at different speeds and heights to test adaptability, then do controlled sparring, 3 rounds of 3 minutes, each with a single focus like distancing or timing. Once comfortable, add conditioning circuits to preserve durability. If things go wrong, film your sessions and analyze 1 recurring problem per week. Slow the clip to identify a technical leak and drill the corrective motion until it's automatic. Make steady, targeted fixes rather than chasing perfection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.